Good morning and welcome to Eastern. My name is Kalisha Johnson. I am the cashier here in the business office, located on the library building on the first floor. In this video, we will go over a few things to take care of here in the business office, how to set up your direct deposit designation, how to review your student account information online, how to make a payment, and how to get a student ID. All students can view their registration, financial aid, and balance due through the Web Advisor. In order to do this, you will need to log into Web Advisor, click on Students, and then you will review your account information from this page. Each student will need to designate how you would like to receive any funds from your student account. You are able to designate a direct deposit into your personal bank account or get a Mountaineer debit card. After you log into Web Advisor and make your selection, you can come into the business office and get your ID card or Mountaineer card. Please remember to bring your driver's license and your social security card with you. If you are staying in the dorms and have a meal plan, you will need this card in order to swipe for your meals. If you are needing to purchase your textbooks for class and plan to do so with your financial aid, you will need a book voucher. Please remember, book vouchers are only available in the first 2 weeks of class. You can order your books online and have them shipped to you by visiting EOSCbookstore.com. When you have your items in your cart and are ready to check out, just select to charge your books for your book voucher. You can also come by the business office to get a book voucher to take with you to the bookstore and obtain your books that way. Please be aware, anytime you come into the business office for your account information, you will need to bring your driver's license or student ID. Please make sure that you complete your FAFSA early so that your information will be available in order to get a book voucher. If you have any questions, contact the business office at 918-465-1831 or email me at kjohnson6@eosc.edu. Thank you.